Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install Cloud Code CLI on your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, first of all you need to go to any browser, and in the browser you need to search for Cloud Code, and then just come to this link code.cloud.com to the documentation, then click on overview and it will take you to this page. So I'll give this link in the description, just check it out. So after coming here you can see, in order to install Cloud Code in Mac or Linux, we need to run this command. And in order to install Cloud Code in Windows, you can run this command in PowerShell, or you can run this command in Windows command prompt. So we are going to run this command in the PowerShell. So let me just copy this command. Then let me just minimize this. Then we'll go to our Windows search option. And here we're going to search for PowerShell. Here you can see Windows PowerShell. Let's open this. Let me just zoom in, and here we're going to paste the command which we just copied, and we're going to press enter. So this command will install Cloud Code in our system. So this will take a minute to install Cloud Code. Right now I will just fast forward the video, and there you can see installation is done. So right now if I just copy this cloud help and paste it here and press enter, it will say cloud is not recognized. The thing is, here you can see that we need to set up Cloud Code in our system. So for it we need to go to the environment variables, and we need to add this path in the environment variable. So let's just copy this path from here. After that we'll go to our Windows search option, and we're going to search over here environment variable. Here you can see, let's open this. And after opening the environment variable, you need to go to the advanced, then click on environment variable, and here you can see system variable. So here you can see path. So you need to click on path, then click here edit, then here you need to click on new, then you need to paste the path that you just copied from here, this path. Okay. So we are going to paste it over here. So I'm going to click on new, paste the path, then click on OK, OK, and OK. Make sure to press OK. After that, let's go back to the command prompt. After that, we're going to close this, and we're going to open PowerShell again. So let me just say over here PowerShell, and this time if I say cloud help, then press enter, it will show you all the shortcut for cloud. Here you can see. So it means cloud is installed in our system. So right now, how can we create a project using Cloud Code? So let me go to look new volume E, and here I am going to create a folder. Let's see if the folder name will be Cloud Project. Let's go inside this folder. Let's click at the top right over here CMD, and in order to see the Cloud Code CLI, we need to say here cloud, then press enter, and there you can see, you will see something like this. So over here you can see we have dark mode, light mode, then dark mode, color, blind friendly. So let's choose the third one, press enter, and after that here we need to choose a subscription plan. You can choose a Cloud Code account with subscription. You can use Androtropic, third party platform, you can use that as well, like Vertex AI. So let me just show you the first one. If I now just press on enter, so it will open a tab in the browser automatically. So we can log in using our Google account. Let me just log in using this email. Click here continue, and we need to accept the agreement. Click on continue, and then you have to choose a plan. You can choose a free plan, which is not that useful. If you want to use Cloud Code properly, you need to at least choose the pro plan. So if I just click here use free plan, it will show me something like this. I'm going to skip this. So yeah, it will take you to this page, and over here you need to log in with your Gmail address, and you need to choose a plan. So yeah, this is how you can install Cloud Code on Windows. So I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorial.